YouTube, what's good? So, as y'all see from the title of the video, I'm gonna just be showing y'all my new retic. I did a reel, but this is an actual video. So if you don't know, reticulated pythons are the longest snake in the world. The heaviest snake in the world is the green anaconda. I'm gonna talk before I take him out because this motherfucker is heavy and he moves. He's probably, if I could take a guess, 13 feet. He's super heavy, maybe like at least 70 pounds, and they from Southeast Asia. In the wild, they would not look like this. His morph is called the Sunfire Tiger Albino. If the sun was shining more, you'd be able to really see the iridescence of him. But now I'm gonna just take him out. And this is my third day with this animal. I've handled retics before, but I've never owned one. I have on other big snakes though. Ugh. Look at that head. You're gonna come in the grass since I'm holding him? Now, honestly, this is a little dangerous since I don't know the animal. And he's really choking me right now. Like, you can feel the pressure. This thing could kill you. But I wouldn't let that happen. I know what I'm doing. Yeah, man, this guy is beautiful. What you think, man?
Yes, he's very beautiful. He's big.
Maybe if y'all face this way, yeah, you can see it more. Beautiful, beautiful snake. And their eyes, if you pay attention to the eyes, yeah, they're somewhat readable. Yeah, he's nice though. You wanna try to hold him? He's not that headshot. I shouldn't be touching his face like this, but I want to have him around kids one day, so I got to start somewhere. His head is huge. You want to try? And he's actually pretty calm. The guy didn't, he said he was pretty aggressive, like a typical breeder male, so I'm really surprised that he's like this. But he might just be nice to me right now. He has been sitting under the lamp all morning, so he's pretty warm. But he is cooling off now that we've gotten out here a little bit. Because the sun is just coming up. I would get this dude at least 50 pounds, 60. Probably more than that though. Oh. And the het albino in his genes, that just means he doesn't physically show albino, but his kid's gonna be albino.
And your mama said, coming around the corner now.
Oh, she's not gonna like this.
She's
well,
not.
This would be a good video though.
Alrighty. Don't let him wrap around you, babe.
Yeah, I'm not gonna let him wrap all the way around me. But dude, this, you can use this nigga as handcuffs. Ooh, you wanna try, babe? It's a workout.
Yo, your mama finna freak out.
Right there. You put it on that table. All right, thanks. Say hi to YouTube, Mom.
Hey!
Yeah. Thank you. Bye-bye. You ready to try? Alright, so now Nisha's gonna hold him, so this is the end of the video because he's strong and I gotta help her, so peace.